Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to generate a return and refund policy for your Shopify online store. Having a clear policy helps set customer expectations, builds trust, and protects your business. Let's walk through it together. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find it in the lower left part of the screen. From there, go to the Policies section. It is at the bottom of the list. Under the Return and Refund policy, click the option to open it. From here, you can manually edit the policy text. You can also insert a template to get started quickly. Just click to add it. Once the template is in place, you can edit it to fit your store's needs. When you are happy with it, save your changes. And that's all there is to it. That's how we generate a return and refund policy for your Shopify store. A clear, well-written policy makes your store look more professional and helps avoid any confusion with customers.